letter.
Oh, the big letter to the small letter. What letter is that?
K.
K, very good. Oh, the next one.
Letter O.
Letter O. Oh, you match it to the big and the small.
Dito.
Yeah, big to small.
Small.
Yeah. Oh, what
Tas.
letter is that?
O. Big O and small O.
Very good.
This
Oh,
one?
Yes. The next one. What letter is that?
Letter I.
No, that's a letter
And
L. And the small L.
O.
Big L and small L.
Hindi I to.
Ay nako, parehas lang sila ng itsura. Pero small L yan. Mas magaling ka pa sa teacher mo, ha?
Ito yung teacher ko.
Hindi, ako ang teacher mo.
Bakit?
Bakit?
Eh!
Hindi kita lalagyan ng star.
Hindi. Layer ikaw.
Mayor ako?
Opo.
Ang bira. O sige na, continue. How about the letter M? Nangungulangot. Ano yan? Kulangot break? What's that? Kulangot break?
Opo.
Ew. Uy, tama na. Lalaki butas ng ilong mo.
Hindi, meron pa.
Hindi mo kuha?
Kuha ko.
Kuha kutsara?
Hindi. Ako lang.
Wala na. So, let's continue. To the letter M. Big M to small m.
Yeah. Down.
Yeah?
Up.
Up.
Oh.
Big N to small n. Okay, very good. How about letter M?
Whoa.
Big M to small m.
Up.
Yeah? How about letter L?
Here.
Oh,
The big A one in the small L.
yeah.
Down.
Okay, up. Mali. Ayan. Good job. On the next page.